Namaste Gurukulians. So, how are you all? Giving time to your study or not? I think you are trying to give, no? That is a good thing. Give time to your study in a better way to shine your future. Okay. So, we are doing here voices for class 7th. We already discussed our simple present tense and present continuous tense having the sentences simple and negative, right. So, today we will go with the interrogative sentences of present continuous and the question word sentences also. So, firstly I want to give you a glance of the videos of part 3, means we have discussed the sentences of simple and negative of present continuous. Okay. So, firstly I want to give you some examples regarding that. So, we will be in touch what we are doing. Present continuous. What is the another name for present continuous? That is present progressive. Good. Present progressive. Right. So, we have done simple and negative, like I am giving example. She is writing the letters. That is your active voice sentence and we have to change this into passive voice. So, firstly what we will do, the letters come in the beginning, the letters is singular or plural, that is plural, means we will use are. We will not go with this helping verb which is used according to she, because she is singular here and we use is with she, he, it name singular, that is singular verb. So, the letters are, then we use being. You know very well, you practiced it, okay, good. Being, third form written by him or her, by her. That is your simple sentence. Now, we will take the example from negative sentence. Okay. They are not flying the kites. They are not flying the kites. So, firstly same process, the kites will come in the beginning. The kites, they are also plural, the kites are also plural. So, we use are, the kites are, then not, then being. Now, third form of fly, fly, flew, flown, F-L-O-W-N, flown, by, yes. What is the objective case of they? Them. So, you have practiced the tables of subjective case and objective case at home, dear students, or not? So, be careful regarding whatever is done in our videos, you have to practice, okay? You have to go through all these things, it will be beneficial for you, for this class also and in the coming classes also, right. So, this is about your present continuous tense, present progressive tense like simple sentences and negative sentences. Today, we will continue with the interrogative sentences, interrogative sentences of this particular tense, means present continuous. So, interrogative, interrogative sentences of present continuous we are taking now. So, formation, in interrogative what comes in the beginning? Helping verb, and in present continuous tense which helping verbs are we taking? Is, am, are, very good. Is, am, are, then subject, then V1, then first form ing plus object question mark. This formation is for active voice and for passive voice. Yes, in the same case we have done in simple present tense, in which do, does comes in the beginning, then subject, then V1, then object. So, is MR comes in the beginning. Okay. So, is MR will be at the same position as M R, right. Then your object will come in after the helping verb and work as a subject. Then your being will come after subject, not after the helping verb, no, after subject, being, then your third form, then by, then subject will come at the end and it will act as object, like then question mark. This formation is for your active voice or passive voice. This is for passive voice, right. We will take an example for it. Okay. Example for it, interrogative. Are the students okay, doing their work? Question mark. So, are the students, sorry, as we have to put because we are using are the student doing their work? Are comes in the beginning, क्या बच्चे अपना काम कर रहे हैं, are the student. So, we have to go at the end, means we have to focus on the object of this particular sentence, that is singular or plural. So, their work is singular or plural? Work is their work. Is used according work, is their work, being, do third form, do, did, done by the students, then question mark. Okay. Again example we can take. Means you have to change is MR first form ing into is MR plus being, then third form. If they are coming in the negative form, you can say is not being, am not being, are not being. If they are coming in interrogative form and interrogative form, is MR will come in the beginning, then we use subject, then being, then third form by, and subject will change into object. Okay. So, more examples we can take. Are they making a toy? Are they making a toy? So, are is used according to they, you know it very well, and we have to focus for making the passive voice firstly on object. We have to observe that that is singular or plural, that is the main thing here. So, are, a toy is singular, so we can use is, we do not use are. Okay. Is a toy, then okay, I am writing a sentence, is a toy made by her. Is this sentence correct or not? Yes. Just focus on this. Active voice is this, as are they making a toy? This is your active voice, and I change this. Is a toy made by her? This sentence is correct or not? Yes. This sentence is wrong. Okay. Good. So, what will come? Is a toy, before made, we forgot to write being. Is a toy being, then third form made by. We are using they as a subjective case. So, what is the objective case of they? They, their, them. Them is coming in, and so we are using them as according to our table. By them. This is the formation basically. Again, take the example. Is he drinking the tea with his friends? With his friends. So, here tell me what is the object in this sentence. Sentence is he drinking the tea with his friends? So, what is object? Just focus on the sentence and try to tell me, dear student, what is the object here. Okay, I will tell. Some of the students will take the tea with his friends is the object. Some will say the tea is object, and some will say with his friends is the object, ma'am, because they have a idea in their mind which is in the end, that is the object. No, that is the also the complement regarding the object, that is your complement. Okay. So, is the tea is your object. The tea is your object. Is the tea being drank, drunk, D-R-U-N-K. Second form is drank. Okay. Is the tea be drunk by him with his friends? With his friends. This is the way. Another way also, is the tea be drunk by being drunk with his friends by him. Okay. With his friends by him. In this way you can also write. Okay. One more example we can take. Am I not, I am using not here. Okay, in next sentence, in next formation we will do it. Am I doing my work? Okay. Am I doing my work? So, am is used according to I. So, what is object? My work. My work. You have to use helping verb according to my or according to my work. My work. Is my work. Is my work. Then being. Then do, did, done. Then by me, right? Okay. Now interrogative plus negative you also can do. Okay. Interrogative plus negative or question words. Suppose I am writing a sentence here. Is he not playing a game? You know the formation of negative sentence, how to change the negative sentences. You know how to change the interrogative sentences. It is the mixture of interrogative and negative. Is he not playing a game? Okay. Same process. Is, then a game. then not will come as it is. Not, then be in negative you are using being after not, same here. Is a game not being played by him? That is your interrogative plus negative sentence formation. Interrogative plus negative sentence means you are using interrogative as well as negative sentences formation, like is MR plus subject plus not V1 ing object question mark. This is for active voice. In passive voice, what we will use? Is MR will at the same position, then your object will come and turn into subject, then your not will be at the same position, then your being, then your V3 after by, and at the end your object will come and act as a subject, then question mark. This is for your passive voice. Okay. One more example I want to give you. Are they solving? Are they not, sorry, are they not solving this sum? We are using both the sentences, interrogative and negative. So, are they, here are is used according to they, and this sum is your singular form. So, is this sum, not these sums, I am using this sum only, is this sum, then not, then being. What is the form of third form of sold? That is sold, S-O-L-V-E-D, sold by they, their, them, by them, question mark. This is your passive voice. Now, we will do the sentences which is started by the question words like when, where, which. The same process according to interrogative sentences. Only one word will come in the beginning. What is that? Question words, right. And by after doing the question word sentences, we will complete our simple present and present continuous tense. How to change passive voice from active voice from these such tenses. What are they? Simple present and present continuous. Question word sentences. They also come under interrogative sentences, okay, like when they are playing this game. Okay. Suppose we ignore when, okay. Oh sorry, when are, does it not come? Before subject your helping verb will come. Suppose we are removing when, and after removing when, read the sentence, are they playing this game? This sentence will become your interrogative or simple. This is your interrogative. That is why I am saying when you are using question words before any sentence, that will come into your interrogative sentences. The same rule which we are using of solving passive voice from active voice of interrogative sentences of any tense, that will become in the beginning and creating a interrogative sentences as well as in the active voice and in passive voice, right. So, when are they playing this game? when will come in the same position. We need not to change this. When. After that you have to focus on the object. This game is singular or plural? Singular. When is. Here we are using are according to they. So, need not to copy the helping verb from the active voice. We have to apply the helping verb according to the object of active voice, right. So, when is this some, after this being, game is there. When is this game being, third form of play, played, being played by them. Okay, we will take one more example. How is he singing a song? Right? Same thing we will do for this sentence. How is he singing a song? Suppose we will remove how. So, then read this sentence, is he singing a song? Then it will become your simple negative or interrogative, that is interrogative sentence. And when we use how before it, it will also remains your interrogative. So, do not get confused. Okay. In this sentence you are asking this how, means the method you are asking, right, means interrogative also means you are asking a question. So, how is he singing a song? How will come in the same position, right, need not to change how, change into when, change into where, no, this will remain the same. After this you have to give a glance to your object. So, how is used according to he, again is coming because that is singular. How is a song, then how is a song being, third form of sing, sing, sang, sung, by, what is the objective case of he, him, by him. So, what formation will you get from this? Can you write the formation yourself or not? Some students can say yes ma'am we can write, but some can say ma'am no, what are you saying, we are not getting, right, because they are not getting their concentration on the things what we are doing. So, I am writing the formation now, right, for you, like question words, then your helping verb, means suppose here we are using is MR, right, I am writing all this, plus subject V1 ing, then your object. This is for active voice, right. For passive voice, question words will remain same. Helping verb will remain same. And what are the helping verbs? Is MR in this sentence. Then your object will come, subject, then being. Same rule which you are using in interrogative sentences. Then V3 by, subject will change into object, question mark. This is for your passive voice. Examples already I have given to you. Now, sentences for practice. Right. I am mixing the sentences from simple present and present continuous. He does not learn the chapter. Okay. Second one, they are not playing cricket. Third one, Is he not watering the plants? Watering the plants. Fourth one, are they ringing a bell? And last, okay, means do the parents solve the problems of their kids? Okay, these 5 sentences just you have to solve yourself, dear students. Okay, so I hope that you are getting some valuable sentences according to the voices of simple present and present continuous. So do practice home and good luck. Have a nice day.